assembly will be about the NHS. We're going to be showing you all about what they do and how they do it on the front line.
We hope you enjoy it.
This is my mum. She's a key worker and works for the NHS. Part of the NHS is many charities that work inside it. So the Children's Trust treat children that have brain damage. This means that children can stay there overnight, they can try and do hobbies like swimming or dancing, they get to play with other children, and then by the time they're 18 they get prepared for their life outside of the Children's Trust. So the Children's Trust and many other charities are really what pull together the NHS to help all those children in need.
This is their logo. It is a butterfly and it's made out of 2 circles.
So if you get badly hurt, you can go to A&E, which stands for Accident and Emergency. Here is an example. What's wrong with you? Out. Stay here. In the dark. What you deserve.
Sophie, get back here. What have you done to her?
I haven't done anything. I'm all Laura doing.
So you pushed her on the floor. I can't do the recovery
Get
resistance.
up. What do you do? So I'm now going to show you how to put Abby in the recovery position. This means I'm going to make sure she's safe and sturdy until someone arrives to help us. So the first thing I do is I'm going to take her arm and put that backwards on her cheek like that. Then this arm's going to go up nice and high. Then you're going to lift up her knee like this. Make sure both of her legs are straight. And then we're going to grab her arm, her leg and her elbow, and roll. And then we make sure that her leg is in the right place, like this. And then we wait and find some help.
I'm in the waiting room of A&E.
So what is A&E? Well, A&E stands for Accident and Emergency, and it's where people go if they get hurt, which means they can break an arm or maybe even have a nosebleed. And this is where they will go, they get patched up, and then they can go home, or they can be sent to a specialist in what they're hurt for. There are multiple ways to help stop the coronavirus. Here are 3 simple things. Hands out, washing your hands, and applying a face mask on you. This is a tutorial on how to wash your hands. So first step is to rinse them thoroughly with water. Make sure everywhere is covered with water. When your hands are wet, we can take 2 pumps of soap depending on how much comes out. After you have 2 pumps of soap, you rub your hands together in circles, around and round. And then you put your hands on top of your hands and put your fingers through your fingers. You do this on both hands. Now as you notice, you probably won't have soap on your thumbs. So now you will rub your thumbs in soap thoroughly. The second part is your nails. So you take your nails together and rub them on your palm. You do this with both hands. You then do this motion again to make sure that you have done it thoroughly for 20 seconds. Once your hands are completely clean, you then rinse them again underwater and make sure not to touch the tap as this could carry many germs. In terms of making a mask, you can go on YouTube and search up how to make a mask for kids. There are multiple ways to make a mask. Just remember, always ask permission to go on the internet. Don't run from the virus. Stop it. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed.